Hey everyone, it's me again, Carlo, and today what we're going to be talking about is the different graph options on the chart view. So let's get started. Let's jump right onto the chart view. Let's talk about first the button right here. What it does is it gives you a collapsed view of the chart. It removes those boxes on the top and the buttons below the chart. So here's how it's going to show up so that you can focus on the data that you have on your chart. And what we're going to be talking about next is the button right beside it. It is going to give you different options on how your chart is going to appear. If you have noticed, the data on the graph is pretty cramped. So if you press evenly spread, it widens the spread of the data on the graph. Now on to the third option, with numbers. I guess it explains by itself with numbers. So if you put a check mark on that one, the numbers will appear on the graph. The Cartesian axis. Now you will see show X, show Y, and if I put a check mark on this show X, it will show the dates right at the bottom of the graph. Now you have noticed that there is already a check mark on show Y, and if I remove it, you will see that the numbers at the left have been removed. So I'm going to put it back. Shape of the line. So this one will change how the lines on the graph will appear. So let's go ahead and do the linear first. So if you select linear, the lines will be sharp as it shows on the video. Second option available is step, and as you can see from it, it looks like stairs. Next available is curved one, which is the one that you have been seeing earlier, so I'm gonna jump into the fourth one. Now curved 2. This one shows a more smooth transitioning lines on a form of curve. And on to the last few options. If you have noticed right down below, if you scroll up this menu, you will see type of circles on the line. And if you select none, that will just remove the circles for the point where your weight entry is. And if you select filled, it will appear as a solid dot. And if you select with a hole, then that's gonna appear like a donut. So there you have it. I hope that you liked the video, and if you do, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and upcoming tutorials.